Hey everybody, welcome back to Shoulda Cashed Out. And today at the craps table, we're continuing on with our best bubble craps strategy for a $100 bankroll. Okay, and just a public service announcement: going all in with your $100 on every number does not constitute as a strategy. That is a recipe for IBS, and we don't do that here. Okay. Would not recommend going all in with your $100. Things could go very, very bad in one roll. All right, so what we're going to do today, we're going to do the Texas two-step with our $100. It's going to be a $2.10, $3.09, $3.08, $3.06, $3.05, $2.04. First hit, press the 4 by $2, press the 10 by $2. Second hit, regress. We're going to go $2 level inside. So $8 inside. All right, let's try to win $10 and we'll print the ticket. There's the 325. So these sessions could be super quick or they could be a grind. It's a $16 total in the beginning bet. Okay. $16 initial bet. All right, here we go. Two numbers. 538. It's going to be 3. We'll drop $1 from the rack. Give the 4 $2. Give the 10 $2. 516. Okay, we paid 3, so let's pay 4. And come down to $2 inside. Looks good. All right. So we're not out of the hand quite yet. We're down about $1. There's the hard 6. So now we're out of the hand. So it's going to be $2. We're going to collect it. So we're up $9. One more hit, we're printing the ticket. 549. It's going to win $3. Coming down. I know these sessions could be quick, you know. So we are up $12. Session 1 complete. Can y'all see that? Let me check. Yep. All right, session 1, $12. All right, let me reset. That looks good. 80 in red, 20 in white. All right, we've printed the ticket. We're moving to the next bubble machine. You know, usually there's like 3 or 4 in a row. Okay, we're moving to the next one. As usual, lay the back wall, lay the 10, lay the 4, fill bet, whatever. Play the bonus, whatever. That's up to you. Here we go. I like laying the back wall or laying the 4 or 10. All right, there's the 426. Mark it up. And let's get our $16 back out there. Looks good. Need a couple numbers. There's the 426 right back. We'll just pay 3, drop $1. Go to 4, go to 4. Coming out. Lay the back wall, whatever. 6, 4, 10. All right. 6, 1, all done. All right. We're down, I think, $17. Damn, I should have just... Here, let me... There's 16. Let's get it back up. That was my bad. Try to keep the video going here. There. Okay. Coming out. 213. Midnight. We're on the 8. All right, let's go. Hard 6. Wins 3. We'll drop $1. Go up. Go up. Yo 11. 628. That's the point. So I paid 3 on the 6. Pay 4 there. All right, dealer, take down my forward. Well, not dealer, but bubble crap machine. Take down my bets. All right, coming out. 213. 6 4 10. Yeah, let's get on a hot roll here. No, 617. All right. It's gonna be one of those sessions. 639. They happen. You just gotta. They're just irritating. They're annoying. Here we go. 415. All right. Pays $4. Up and up. 639. That's nice. We're out of the hand. That's going to win $4. We're coming down. See, if we ever hit a 4 or a 10 in that situation, we can just stay at the $3 level inside to be more aggressive. Hard 4. One roll too late. 628. All right. We'll press it $1, rack $1. 213. Hard 4 again. 415. Press the 5. Rack 2. 4-3 all through. All right. We met up a little ground. Here we go. Still work to do. 213. 617. Back wall would have laid, or 1. 314. Mark the 4. All right, let's get our Deleros out. It's good. 314, right back. So in 4, press. Coming out. 617, back wall wins. 527, back wall wins. 538. All right, need one more number, not the bad number. 628, right back, shotgun. All right, been paying 3, we'll pay 4 this time. Dealer, bring down my bets. Dealer. Bubble machine, bring down my bets. All right, here we go. Coming out. 527. Geez, we probably would have been in profit if we were laying the back wall, or at least even. 6-4-10. Six one, all done. Jeez. Coming out. 6, 4, 10. All right. Looks good. Here we go. 4, 2, 6. 3. This time. Drop 1 from our rack. There we go. 6, 3, 9. All right. Here we go. Hard 6. Pay 3 this time. Last time I shorted myself. There we go. 6, 5, yo. 4, 1, 5. Go up. And rack. 5, 4, 9. Go up. And rack. 6, 4, 10. That's the point. We're on the 6. 3, 2, 5. That would have been called a 5. All right. $4. We'll collect. Looking at where our rack is, how much are we short? 3. How much do we have here? 3, 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 90, 94, 99, 102, 105. All right, let's get it. 3, 2, 5. Yes, sirski. It's going to win 4. Rack. Just one more number. 6, 2, 8. That's a good one. Pay $2. Take down. See where we're at. All right. So I know that's a full tray of white. That's $10, or sorry, $20. There we go. So we're missing, let's see here, 3, 25, 50, 75, 80, 85, plus 20. So 105, 111. So another $11 winner. Where are we at on the video? 13? Yeah. All right, so won $11, and then we won. So we won a total of $23, 2 sessions. That second one just grinding it out, but y'all get the gist of the system. It is really reliable, and what we had a few PSOs, and we fought back. So the system is extremely tough. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed. We'll be back with another $100 strategy as quickly as possible. So thanks for joining us. Till next time, be excellent to each other.